Buenos dias. Good day from Costa Rica. We are here approaching Tres Piscinas Waterfalls. A couple of friends. Mason is in front, our tour guide today, and the dog is somewhere around here that's been showing us the way. But we are maybe a mile deep into the jungle from where we parked. And as you can hear, I'm sure, there are beautiful, famous waterfalls that I'm quickly approaching, and I will turn the camera around so that you get to see my entrance, or what I'm viewing as I enter, I should say. As we get down to the river, and I'm going to turn it around. This is Tres Piscinas, or Three Pools Waterfalls, that we're going to climb to the top to and start doing some flips and dives off that you guys will see soon, but allow me no further introduction. Tres Piscinas. Our tour guide. More coming. We've arrived. Mason's jumping first. I'm going to see how it is, then the girls are following. Coming next, us down there. A slide, that's a slide, a water slide. Nice and cold. Are you sliding down? Be careful. Oh, sorry, I'm the mom. What? Wait, I'm scared. I'm not doing that. I'll jump in there. You're gonna hurt his butt. That looks fun. The homie, the tour guide. Literally took us here. The actual tour guide. Yeah. Well done, sir. Woo. You survived. This is one of the coolest places on planet Earth. Ooh. Great job, brother. Amazing, amazing. I wish I could jump with the camera. This camera ain't gonna survive it. Thank you guys for watching. I'm departing Tres Piscinas for my first trip of many. I will be living not far from here, so I will be here often. I will be taking a lot of the visitors here. Mason, his girlfriend Bella. Thanks for showing us, guys. Please like, subscribe, hit that notification button, and share with any friends that might want to visit Costa Rica and see Tres Piscinas. You can have them reach out to me, Flying Tobin, on all social media.